Okay, the first step is you have to be on Amazon.com site, and in order to sign in or create a new account, you have to click on this option. If you have an existing Amazon account, you can sign in and then continue. But if you want to create new, then you click on create your Amazon account. Write your name. For example, I'm just creating a new account. So I will write the name and then mobile number or email address. Any password, so it must be 6 characters. And I'm going to re-enter the password. Now I'm going to verify the email, so it must be a valid email address. So the OTP is sent to the email address which I have mentioned over here. I'm going to write the OTP over here. So OTP is very important. Do not give it to anyone for security purpose, because this one gives access to your account. So make sure don't give your OTP to anyone. So once I enter the OTP, I'm going to click on create your Amazon account. So after creating Amazon account, you have to search Kindle Direct Publishing, and once you are here, you have to click on this option. It says welcome to Kindle Direct Publishing. You can join or sign in. As we have already created an account, we just need to sign in. We have to write down our email or password and then sign in. And if you want to create your KDP account, you have to click on this option and then create it directly from here if you don't have an Amazon account. So now we're going to click on sign in, and I'm going to write down the information. So now I'm on the Kindle Direct Publishing area, and this is the create option. So by using this option, you can start publishing books. For example, if you click on this create button, it will show you different options. You can create a Kindle ebook, you can create a paperback, you can create a hardcover, or you can create series page. It has all the information as well. For example, if you want to create a paperback, you will click on create paperback, and here it shows you that what information you need in this one. Currently I'm not showing you how to do this one, so this video purpose is just to show you that how you can create a Kindle account and start publishing books. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a book and show you how exactly you can publish it on Amazon. Now, in order to measure the exact size of our template for our book covers, we have to go on the cover calculator option, and we write cover calculator and press enter. So now it shows us print cover calculator and templates. So these shows the exact dimensions of a cover, and this is very important if you want to create templates on Canva and not using some kind of different softwares which have already Amazon templates embedded, and the size and shape formats are embedded in that. But if you want to use some free software for that, you need this tool. You have to enter your book information, like if it's hardcover or paperback. I select paperback, and interior type I'm choosing black and white, and paper type I'm using white paper. Page turn direction, for example, if you want your books to be turned from left to right or right to left, so this is this shows up like how you're going to exactly publish your books. measurement units, I'm going to select inches, and interior trim size. So what inches you need, so 6 by 9 inches I'm going to use it for that, and the page count I'm going to use 120. And now I'm going to calculate the dimensions. So once the dimensions are calculated, you can see that this is the width and this is the height of these ones, and these lines, they are the safe zones. You have to cover this white area, and it shows this is the bleed, so you have to add your bleed in your full cover area. Now I'm going to download this template. I'm going to show you how you can create a cover page after downloading this template. So once your template is downloaded, you can see it's in the form of a zip file. You have to extract that, and once it's extracted, we are going to upload it on Canva. So we have to add up the weight with the bleed areas, and then the final we are going to write down in the create design. So we are going to create a custom size, and first we have to change the pixel to inches, and then we are going to write the width. So this one will be 12.645, and this one will be, if you add it, 9.375. So I'm going to write first 12.645, and then in height I'm going to write 9.34375, and then I'm clicking on create new design. So as your extracted Amazon KDP cover zip file is over here, and we are going to use the paperback PNG file. So we are going to upload the file, which is this one, not the PDF, the PNG. Click open, and once open, we are going to click on that, so it will shows up. So I want to fit it in the area, so what I'm going to do, click the position, and here I'm going to change the weight and height, and also the height, and then press enter, and I'm going to position it in middle and center. So now it's properly placed. So this is the area which is the bleed, and you have to cover the inside. So once it's set up over here, you have to click on file, and then you have to use the ruler in order to set your guidelines. So you are going to fill only the white area, and to do this portion, start from here and then again. So this will help you in setting up your design without messing your area. And this one is a safe zone. So now this one is done. So when you click on add page, it will automatically show, so you know that this is the area which you want to cover and not this area. So now you can lock this by going on file and then view settings, and then clicking on lock guides. So in order to create a book cover for KDP, if I'm going to create a book on lilies, I will see some graphics to add it on my book. Like this is the front page and this is the back. The lower one, this is areas for what the barcode, but you can cover this area because the barcode will not show up over here. It's at the back of the book, and you can add as many lilies as you want, and you can also change their style and text, or you can edit the image directly. If you don't want to change the color over here, you can just change it directly from here. And I'm just adding some lilies, so Okay, this one I will put at the back. And we have to cover just the area which is inside. I am removing this. I'm going to add this lily as on my front page. And I'm going to add a text heading, which is book on lilies, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit and change the font. Change the color. Okay, I want to select the color according to this or this diagram. And also, if I want to show some effects at the back, I can do it. Okay, this one is fine for me. Okay, so this is just a simple cover page which you can do in Canva, and you can create whatever design you want on this. And once you are satisfied with your cover page, you simply go on share and then download it. You have to select PDF print, which is best for printing, and just select the page on which you're working, which is page 2, and then you click on download. So once you downloaded it, you simply click on this option, the download option, to see how exactly it looks, and it will look like this. So this is the front cover, this is the back cover. So the center will be cut like this. So this is the bleed area. So this is how you can create unlimited book covers on Canva and then download it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how exactly you can publish books on Amazon KDP and start earning money. Thank you.